In the HTML Issues assignment, you're going to build on the first web page you previously created. I wanted to take a moment to show you how to open a previously created HTML page in Notepad for editing. Let's do that now. First, let's navigate to the save location of the first web page HTML file. If you remember correctly, we were in the Web Design folder, Module 2. Take a moment to remember the first web page assignment walkthrough video. And remember, if we click on an HTML file, it will open in a web browser, not in a text editor such as Notepad. Equally important to note is that we can't make changes to an HTML document in a browser. All edits must occur in a text editor, in our case, Notepad. So let's see how to open the file in Notepad. Once we've navigated to the save location of our desired HTML document, we right-click the document and select Open With. And select Notepad. If Notepad is not listed as an open option, you may need to use the Choose Another App option to select Notepad. For me, Notepad is listed as an option. Clicking it will open the first web page that we created in Notepad. Before we begin to edit or make changes to this HTML, we want to make sure that we save this file so as not to write over our previous first web page document. So let's go File, Save As, and we want to make sure that we're in the Web Design Module 2 folder. In the file name, we're just going to call it HTML Issues. We can delete all of that stuff up until the dash flast. We're going to come back at the end of the flast, at the end of your last name, and we're going to add the HTML file extension, so .html. I like to make sure that save as type is all files. We want to make sure that encoding is UTF-8, and then we're going to click Save. And in doing so, we notice up at the top of the page, it is now saved as HTML Issues. And furthermore, if we come down right here, we'll see that we have two HTML documents that can be opened in a browser within our Module 2 folder. Now that you've opened the first web page HTML document and saved it correctly as HTML Issues, you're free to make changes to the web page as instructed in the HTML Issues assignment documentation.